My name is Teja Chekuri. Uh, I stayed in US for 14 years. So then I moved back to India in 2016. So in 2013 we started Prost in Bangalore. So in 2017 we started Iron Hill in Vishakhapatnam, and we did that in a different way. So our first outlet in Vishakhapatnam was a franchisee model, and the second outlet we started in Vijayawada in 2018. So this is the third outlet in Hyderabad. So we're opening tomorrow, March 6th. So and one more outlet we're opening in Bangalore on March 26th. That's the world's biggest microbrewery as of now. So the square footage of that is 1.3 lakh square foot. So here in Kukatpalli we have 6 types of beers, and one is cider, wheat, lager, ale, and we have 2 specials. So coming to food, it's huge, like more of diversified menu. We cater continental, Indian, Indo-Chinese, pizzas, burgers. Most of the things are covered here. In Hyderabad, we started in 2016. So when we started Prost, Prost is all about like more of continental menu, and it's more of continental food. So you don't get any rice or any roti kind of Indian style of food here. So when you need to cater to huge market or like different sets of market, so you need different varieties of food items also along with your beer or with your liquors. So then instead of changing the menu of the Prost, we thought of coming with another brand which targets to a different segment of the market. So that's the reason why we came with Iron Hill. So these beers are brewed fresh beers. So we brew them here. So when you get a bottled beer, the difference between this and the bottled beer is bottled beer will have some kind of at least minimum level of preservatives in it, like glycerin and all those things. And always the taste of the brewed beer and the bottled beer will be different. Bottled beer will be thinner when you compare with the brewed beer. Brewed beer will be like the body of the beer will be comparatively much thicker than the bottled beer. And most of the bottled beers now, Bira and some companies are coming up with different varieties of beer, like wheat beer and all those things. But before that, with Kingfisher and all the other brands which are there in the market, all you get is a lager beer. So that's the only type of beer you used to get. But when you come to a brewery, cider is more of the sweeter side. So we make apple cider, or we make it with strawberry, we make it with mango. So it's more of the sweeter side. So we get wheat beer here. And lager is like what usually the lager beer is, like Kingfisher and all those things. But the lager beer, when compared with this and the bottled beer, it's different. You get stout. Stout you don't get it in the bottled beer right now. You get in out of India. All these things are in bottles also. But in India, you're not getting them in a bottle set. And the taste wise, there's a lot of difference between brewed beer and bottled beer. That's the main thing. And tomorrow, a lot of people will come up with different. They will cover all the breweries, all the beers, what we are selling here. They might get them into bottles, but the taste of the brewed beer and bottled beer, it varies. We have indoor and outdoor. So because of this COVID and all these things which are happening recently, so we increased our outdoor sections here. Previously, in all other outlets, we used to focus more on the inside air conditioned sections. But now, because of the COVID, we increased our outdoor sections also here. And section-wise, the seat you get booth seating, like different sections of seating arranged here to the comfort of the customer. We are expecting a very positive and good response. We'll be knowing it. From tomorrow we'll start knowing it. But till now we don't know. All our expectations are positive right now. So we are hoping for everything to come positive, turn out positive.
About the cuisines, sir, what kind of a different cuisines?
So here we have continental, we have Indian, Indo-Chinese, we have dumplings, we have baos, we have pizzas, burgers. Almost most of the cuisines are covered. Like we have Thai also, like couple of dishes from each kind of cuisine, so that it will appeal to. Like each person will have different kind of interest in the food. So with the kind of menu which we did, we think we can cater to the maximum number of customers with different palettes. Right now, the seating comes to around 430. But if you do it in a full capacity seating, it comes to around 700 change. Because of the COVID restrictions and all those things, we're maintaining some distance between our tables and the social distancing. So the actual capacity is around 700, but right now it's around 430.
So what are the timings and what kind of costings does we have, sir?
The timings, we open at 12 noon till 12 in the night, 12 midnight. So we're open all from 12 to 12. And costing comes to around, it's an average costing comes to around 1100 approximately for 2 people. We have one beer here. We named our special beers one as season finale. So in that we make the beer as per the seasons. Like say for example, now the mango season is going to come from the summer. So during the mango season, we usually make our mango cider, and we make mango ginger wheat. So we make different kinds of season beers. Like say for example, pomegranate season will come in winter. So we make beer with pomegranate. So it's more like we play with the ingredients which are available in that particular season and which are special for that season. Starting from tomorrow, March 6th, we are opening Iron Hill, Hyderabad at Kukatpalli. So hope you all come here and enjoy our beers and food, and wish us all the best. Thank you.